Hey there, welcome to Take It Outside. We got a new Zippo fire starting tool that we're going to be testing out today. I've never used one of these before. It's pretty interesting to me. I've always used a ferro rod and had great results with it. But, you know, have an extra tool in the bug out bag. It's always a good idea to try something new. So let's jump right in and show you guys what I already got set up for it. So first I want to show you the actual tool. Try to get this thing opened up one-handed. So with two hands to grip it, no problem. Pretty much you have your standard saw, bottle opener, little knife. Then where it actually gets into the fire starting stuff, so you have essentially a cheese grater to grate your sticks into tinder material. Really curious to see how this works. Never tried anything like it before. The other side we have a sparker. Have that. Makes nice continuous sparks. See if I can get that zoomed in a little better. And over here we have some fire paracord, which if you're not familiar with fire paracord, that little red strand that's in there, you pull that out and that's actually flammable material. It puffs up and you can put that in your tinder nest and it helps you get a nice spark started. Over here, all I did was collect a little bit of dry tangly bark, made a little bird's nest out of some dry grass. If you don't know how to do that, let me know. I'll throw up a short video and run through that as a tutorial. I just got some dry sticks. That's Molly Dog, my little outdoor companion. She's gonna be running around helping us out today. She found a couple of the sticks. First things first, we're gonna be untying the paracord, getting a little piece of this fire paracord out. You can see, you pull that back, you got all your different strands. And then this is the one we want right here. This is what's going to puff up and help us make our tinder nest. There we go. A little hard to find some of the strands, but once you get it pulled apart, you just don't want to go all the way with it. Make it so as it settles in itself, gives you that real nice little bundle right there. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're gonna go right here, place that right in the middle of our tinder bundle. Hey, Molly Dog. I'm gonna go ahead, take this stick, I split it apart a little bit. It's the driest one I had here. And I'm gonna use that cheese grater thing to put some wood chips on top of it. Now we got some wood chips in there. Just gonna go ahead, take some of the smallest pieces of wood I got. For all you guys freaking out right now, these are tiny, tiny, tiny pieces. Alrighty. So all in all, I would call the Zippo fire starter a success. I did try to use it earlier without using the fire starting paracord, and it did not go quite as well as using a Ferris rod. But having this, I had to use a very small piece of the paracord to get a good spark going, get a fire started. Comes with probably about 10 fires at that rate. That paracord is water resistant. It's great stuff. So throw it in your bug out bag as a backup fire starter. You should always have a few ways to start a fire anyway. With that, I'm Rich. This is Take It Outside, so you should too.